Hey guys, I'm making this video because I don't know if you're like me, but I've been looking around on the internet searching for the perfect training or even trying to find free solutions in order to be able to grow my online business. And I've been looking for days and months and hours to find something that could be free and something that could fit for me and something I can trust. And I can tell you, I've lost a lot of hours because when you spend so much time on the internet looking for free stuff, looking for the perfect training, you're just losing your time. And time is really money in that industry if you want to grow your online business. And I can tell you now, I really found the perfect training for me. And I think it's a training that can fit for so many people and can scale your online business like crazy. It's called the Entre Institute training. You're going to have a choice in between building an affiliate marketing business, digital courses, or go with a digital agency. So you have three choices. You can take the package because as soon as you start affiliate marketing and you start to scale, you're going to see that you want to go further and maybe start making your own courses. So if you're just like me and you've been looking around for so long and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, I can tell you this is a really great way to start. It's only $39. It comes with a free ebook. It's called The Millionaire Shortcut and it's full of value. And you're going to just read that book and start your training right away if you want. And it's really going to stop you from searching all around and trying to pick all the pieces of the puzzle and put it all together and blend it and just try to make your way through it. If you join that training, you're going to be part of a community of people that can truly help you. And I can tell you, I'm almost posting every day on this Facebook group, and people are just always answering to my questions and to any kind of questions I can have. So stop looking around, guys. I really think Intra Institute training is for you. You can start with the Intro Blueprint, and you're gonna just with Intro Blueprint, you're gonna have such a good basics of what it is that you need to be a successful entrepreneur online and even offline. But I'm mostly talking about the online business right now. So take care, guys, and I really hope you have a good day and you stop searching around and fooling around with some researches on YouTube and on Facebook and on Google. I really think this can really help you because it really helped me on the way. So click on the link below if you're interested. It's right there. You're going to have your free ebook right away as soon as you click on that. And you can start your online business and start scaling. So take care, guys, and have a really good day.